Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to play a fun game called Guess the Countries by their flags. As you can see, we have 10 flags here, and each one of them belongs to a different country. Your task is to try to guess which country each flag represents. You can discuss it in the comments section. You may use any resources at your disposal, such as Google or your own knowledge. You have 30 seconds to make your guesses. Ready, set, go. Okay, let's kick things off with an easy one. This flag represents the country of Switzerland. What about this one? This flag represents Denmark, and this flag represents Italy. How about this one? This flag represents Brazil. We got another easy one. This flag represents France. Can you guess what country this flag represents? Well, if you said Turkey, you'd be right. And how about this one? This flag has 12 stars in a circle around a blue field. It represents the country of Greece. Next up, we got this one. This flag has 3 equal stripes of green, white, and red. It represents the country of Mexico. This one's a tough one. It's got a red sun with 16 rays, and the year 1821 in the middle of it all. It represents the country of Colombia. Next up, we got this one. This flag has a golden ratio. That's a horizontal tricolor of black, yellow, and red. It represents the country of Belgium. And we got this one. It's got a white disc on a red background. It represents the country of Bangladesh. And this one, it's got a green star on a red background. It represents the country of Vietnam. We got 2 more for you. This one has a white crescent and a star on a green background. It represents the country of Pakistan. Next up, we got this one. It's got a blue triangle on a white background. It represents the country of Nepal. Well, how did you do? Let's check your answers. So the first one was Switzerland. Next up, we got Denmark. Then Italy. Next up, we got Brazil, France, Turkey, Greece, Mexico, Colombia, Belgium, Bangladesh, Nepal, and Pakistan. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments section below. If you got 8 or more correct, wow. You are a geography whiz. You could probably find your way around any country in the world without getting lost. You read the kind of person who always knows where they are and how to get where they need to go. You're also great at planning trips and always know the best places to visit. If you got 5 to 7 correct, you are a seasoned traveler. You've been to your fair share of countries and you're comfortable navigating new places. You're also pretty good at picking up new languages and customs. You read the type of person who doesn't get homesick easily and can adapt to new environments quickly. If you got 2 to 4 correct, you are a curious traveler. You love learning about other cultures, and you're always up for an adventure. You're not quite as comfortable traveling as the seasoned traveler, but you're definitely getting there. You read the type of person who likes to do some research before they travel, so that they know what to expect. And if you got 0 to 1 correct, don't worry, you can still learn to love traveling. You might not be the most adventurous person, but that's okay. You can still do it. You just need to get a little bit more comfortable with the unknown. With a little practice, you'll be a seasoned traveler in no time.